Hello everyone, how are you today? You know, we started a tutorial on how to create a dropshipping store with the Shopify, and we already launched that store. We added the products, we customized the theme. The next step is today we are going to learn how we can add a domain name with our Shopify store. When you create a Shopify store, Shopify will assign a domain name for free. You can use this domain name as well, no problem. But if you want to work professionally and if you want people to trust you, people easily buy from your store, then you should add a domain name, a custom domain name, which looks good and which looks very trustworthy and easy to remember. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how you can add a domain name to your Shopify store. Like if you want to add a domain name to your Shopify store, from the dashboard you can click on the add domain, or you can go to the online store and you have to click on the domains. You have to click on the domains, and when you come to the domains page, you can see we already have one domain connected, which is free, provided by the Shopify. Now if you want to add another domain name, another custom domain name, which you have bought from the another uh, domain name provider like the Namecheap, and then you have to click on the connect existing domain, or you can buy a new domain from the Shopify. But I already bought a domain name from the Namecheap. Here it is to teach you. I hope you already know how you can buy a domain name. Okay, so you have to come to click on the connect existing domain, and you have to paste the domain name exactly as it is. I just copied it and pasted it here, and I just click on the next. Okay, domain. Now uh, the next step is connecting your Namecheap domain. That means Shopify already knows that we bought the domain name from the Namecheap. That's why we have to follow some steps to verify the domain name ownership. So we have to click on the view Namecheap instructions, and you can see, and you have to select, you can see, add a domain to Shopify Connect. Okay, let me find it out. You can read it out, uh, and easily you can connect a domain name to your Shopify store. Okay, let's try. Like if I click Namecheap, you can see how you can add a domain name. Okay, now you have to click on the verify connection. Click the verify connection, but we have to follow some other steps. We have to click on the manage inside the Namecheap, and when you come to this page, to the domain page, you have to change the custom DNS, or you have to, okay, let me read it out. Yes, log into domain provider. We have to change the DNS settings. To change the DNS, we have to, okay, got it. We have to go here. We have to go to the Namecheap and click on the advanced, and you have to select the Shopify and click save, continue, and you can see, uh, if you come here 232273865, is the IP address, is the Shopify's IP address. It is already placed automatically by the Namecheap, and already CNAME record is also replaced by the Shopify. The host name should be the www and the value should be the shops.myshopify.com, shops.myshopify.com, or you can use this IP address. Okay, and you can see change your wwc name record to point shops.myshopify.com, and you have to change this IP address for the A record. For the A record, you have to if you buy the domain name from the another provider like the HostGator or like the GoDaddy, then you have to select the A record, and and your host should be at, and value should be this IP address exactly, and the TTL should be automatic, and CNAME record uh, should be and you have to select the CNAME record, and host should be www, and value should be shops.myshop.com, myshopify.com, and that's it. You have to wait for the 48 hours, or you can try again, verify, and I hope it will be verified. Oh yes, maybe it is. Yes, your domain, the aquaponicsgoddess.com, was successfully connected. That means it's propagated and our domain is already connected to our Shopify store. Now we have to change primary domain, and we have to select this one, or we can select this one. Okay, if you want your store should www, then you can select this one and save, and it's saved. Okay, and your SSL certification is on pending. It will be provided by the Shopify, so you don't have to worry about it. It will be applied after some time. So you already know how you can add your domain name. And if you reload, I hope within 5 to 10 minutes your SSL certificate will be applied to your domain name. Like if I try to reload our store, then you can see the aquaponicsgoddess.com. That means we are not using this domain anymore. Okay, we have to just wait for the SSL verification. Let's end up this tutorial here, and the SSL will be verified automatically, will be applied automatically. So thank you and goodbye.